Understanding intuitive design, making technology user-friendly. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of technology and design, intuitive design. Have you ever used an app or a device that just felt easy and natural to use? That's intuitive design at work. Let's explore what makes a design intuitive and why it's so important in our daily tech interactions. Intuitive design refers to creating products that are easy to understand and use without prior instruction. The word intuitive suggests something that is instinctively known or felt. When we say a design is intuitive, we mean that it feels natural and obvious to the user. It's like walking into a room and instantly knowing how to turn on the light. That's the beauty of intuitive design. It doesn't require a manual. Intuitive designs share several key characteristics. First and foremost, they are user-centric. This means the design focuses on the user's needs and experiences. Such designs are often simple and straightforward, avoiding unnecessary complexity. They also provide clear visual cues and feedback, helping users understand how to interact with them. Importantly, intuitive designs are consistent. They follow common conventions that users are already familiar with. Why is intuitive design so critical? In our fast-paced world, people appreciate products that are easy to use. Intuitive design reduces learning time and increases efficiency. It makes technology accessible to a wider audience, including those who are not tech-savvy. Most importantly, it enhances the overall user experience, making interactions with technology more enjoyable and less frustrating. To illustrate intuitive design, think of a smartphone. Most smartphones have a similar layout: a home button, volume controls, and a power button. This consistency makes it easier for users to switch between different brands without a steep learning curve. Another example is the drag-and-drop feature in computer interfaces, which mimics the physical action of moving objects, making it intuitive to use. And that wraps up our exploration of intuitive design. Remember, the essence of intuitive design is about creating experiences that feel natural and effortless. We hope this video has shed light on how intuitive design plays a vital role in our interaction with technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of language and technology. See you in the next video.